What if we want to go from an improper fraction now back to a mixed fraction? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator, which is back to long division again. And then we have to have a quotient part, and then we're going to have a remainder part, and then we'll have a denominator part. And so what we do is our original fraction is 64 over 7. So this is just written out so it's kind of nice and neat in one big page. And so what we have is this is what goes under the divide sign. This goes out in front. So this is under, and this goes in front. And so what we do now is we do that division. So 7 goes in here 9 times. That gives us 63. We subtract, we get 1. And so this piece here, that's our quotient. That's going to be the whole number part out in front. Then our remainder, because if we do this, and our next step would be put a decimal and stuff like that, but we're just going to call that the remainder. That goes in the numerator, and then we keep our same denominator, which is what was here, and it's out in front, and that goes down below. And so 9 and 1/7. Now we can always check, and again, what we do is we take and multiply here, and then we add here. So 9 times 7 is 63, plus 1 is 64 over 7, and that's what we started with, so that does check out. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now, convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. So again, the top part goes under the divide sign, so 77. The denominator goes out in front, and now we just divide. So 6 goes into 7 one time, that's 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we bring down a 7. Now 6 times 3 is 18, so that's a bit too big, so we'll do 6 times 2, that's 12. Subtract, and that's 5. So now we've got the whole number out front. This is the remainder, and then we have over that. So it's going to be 12 and then 5 over 6. And that will be our mixed fraction. Okay. What about this one? 97 over 10. So some people can see that automatically what it's going to be, but we'll do just the same what we just did before. Well, 10 goes into 97 9 times. That gives us 90. Subtract that, we get 7. Well, now we can't go in here anymore, so we have our quotient, which is 9. That's our whole number part. Our remainder is down here. That's a 7. And then our denominator is that 10. And so 9 and 7/10 is our value. Now again, we could go back the other way. We could take 6 times 12 is 72, plus 5 is 77, all over 6. That's what we started with. Here we can take 10 times 9, that's 90, plus 7 is 97 over 10, and that's what we started with. So both of those check out. What about here? Well, again, 8 goes out front, the 39 goes here. So 8 times what? Well, we can do 8 times 5 is 40, so that's too big. So we have to do 8 times 4, that's 32. Subtract 9 minus 2 is 7. And so this is going to be our whole number, the 4. That's the remainder, so it goes in the numerator, 7. And that's our denominator, so that's 8. So 4 and 7/8 is 39/8. So if we take 8 times 4, what's that? 32 plus 7, that's 39. And it checks out that we have the correct answer there. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for more.